Digaway Skip Hire delivers efficient, no-fuss solutions for commercial waste management, aggregates and more. Supporting construction, renovation and landscaping projects, our fleet of skips, tipper and grab lorries operated by skilled drivers keeps your site running smoothly. Our fully licensed recycling centre in Worcestershire handles a broad range of materials, with no permit required to tip, with clear per tonne pricing. We supply top-quality recycled aggregates, ethically sourced and available for fast delivery to your site, or you can collect from our yard. From single jobs to long-term support, Digaway Skip Hire is the dependable partner businesses trust, responsive, professional and ready to meet your demands. Digaway Skip Hire, driving smarter, cleaner operations across Worcestershire and surrounding areas. Get in touch today for a tailored quote.